Welcome to Flip Lesson 45 in 6th grade. Today we're going to take our first step into dividing when it comes to dividing with decimals. And first step is looking specifically at the dividend of a division problem. So we're looking inside the box in this case. At the dividend. Right? Three parts of division problem: divisor, dividend, quotient. Quotient being the answer, divisor being the term being going into the dividend. As we look at the dividend within a problem, when it comes to a decimal number and a division problem, the general rule of thumb that we're going to start with is once our place values have been determined, we're going to take our decimal and bring it straight up. From here, we're going to divide, just like we normally divide. So we're going to go 3 into 1, which is 0, 3 into 12, which is 4, and 3 into 6, which is 2, for a final answer of 0 and 42 hundredths. Let's do it again. Steps. Find our decimal. Decimal's right there. Decimal goes straight up. 4 goes into 0, 0 times, 4 goes into 3, 0 times, 4 goes into 36, 9 times. Final answer. We look here at our next problem. First step, decimal goes straight up. 5 goes into 0, 0 times, 5 goes into 4, 0 times. So what do we need to do? Now we got to pull in what we learned last time about decimals, that while we write decimals usually with as many zeros as we really need to understand the number, technically by writing another 0 here, it doesn't change the value of the 0.4. Even now it says 0.40, it's still the same value. We looked at that yesterday. And so now we can understand that 5 goes into 40 8 times. So we have our answer there. We're going to keep it short, we're going to keep it simple today, and so we're going to look at those different ideas. So remember, decimal goes straight up as you work with these problems, and remember there is an infinity of zeros behind our letters if we need them to add them in, right? Because those decimals are equivalent. That is lesson 45.